Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and make sure that you downloaded or downloaded or updated the Google Chrome. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to change the default search engine in Google Chrome, just open the Chrome, and then at the top right, tap More or Settings, and then select the search engine, and then next to the search engine used in the address bar, just select the down arrow, and then select the new default search engine like DuckDuckGo or whatever might be, Yahoo or even the Microsoft search. So basically, you can change it for good. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.